Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel where the news come first on Reality Latest Gist, the headlines. The People Democratic Party on Saturday in Abuja inaugurated the 2024 Gubernatorial Campaign Council, and they have described the July 4th High Court judgment by Justice Inyangeko as a temporary setback which the party will overcome. Before I go bring the matter, I would like welcome Mona to my wonderful channel Reality Latest Gist, as today giving a back-to-back update and information as they hot. So if today is your first time to join this wonderful channel, I beg may you like, subscribe and share, but don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, I welcome you especially. Thank you so much for joining. So guys, make a know the story. The People Democratic Party on Saturday inaugurated the Edo 2024 Gubernatorial Campaign Council, describing the July 4th High Court judgment by Justice Inyangeko as a temporary setback which the party will overcome. My people, don't be small matter. It was gathered that the party has already put in place a strong legal team to file an appeal on Monday next week, because the notification that came from the Federal High Court Abuja, PDP no understand them. My people, on Thursday, Justice Eko of the Federal High Court declared the PDP primary election that was conducted on February 22, 2024 void on the ground that 378 delegates who were to vote at the primary election were unlawfully excluded by the party. So the judge had ruled that both the provision of the Electoral Act 2022 and the PDP guidelines were violated in the conduct of the primary election at the Samuel Egbomudia Stadium in Benin City, the Edo State capital. Now, Ahmadu Fitiri, the Adamawa State Governor and chairman of the 2024 PDP Edo Gubernatorial Campaign Council, while addressing the member at the inauguration ceremony in Abuja, he noted that there is a little setback, temporary, but God will see them through it. He said that concerning the 3 days court judgment, that if anybody can pursue and look through the entire process, that they will know that is a child's play. He said this kind of matter no fit stand in the court of law. So right now they are going to approach the court of appeal. So he don't urge the member of the PDP, say make them no fear, because they will do everything necessary within their power to win the September 2024 governorship election. So make them no fear that they are going to put more commitment, more work, more than the one way they do before, so that they will put their distractor into shape. Fitiri assured the members, they made them no worry that they will do their best, that they will support their candidates with everything at their disposal, that they will not shy away from putting in their best, and he will be guided by the experiences of the senior stakeholders in different corners to make sure that SP Wàhàla become the governor of Edo State. Fitiri said the way they see the matter, it be like say PDP are good to go to commence the campaign. That for him, that is ready to lead this campaign, and he have made a commitment on the day they are inaugurated, and he really meant every word he said on that day. So like he has always said, that he's going to do everything in his power. He's going to gather experiences from their stakeholders, their senior stakeholders, so that they will work better, they will work together and deliver together once and for all. My people, another person don't still come out come support wetin Fitiri said. The party legal advisor Adeyemi Ajibade informed the member of the Edo Campaign Council that the court did not nullify the primary that produced SP Wàhàla and Osarodoje as the candidate and the running mate respectively. So he said that the issue before the court was basically the issue of a delegate election. So they all know very much that the Supreme Court has pronounced that issue of delegate, and that issue is purely an internal affair of the political party. And to kill this issue that they normally have in the past, whereby anybody can be sponsored to go and challenge primary, to go and set aside, to go and disqualify a candidate. Adeyemi said that was why the National Assembly introduced the provision of Section 84, subsection 14. He disclosed that although the state has about 8 cases over the PDP primaries, 7 have been dispensed with, leaving 1 outstanding. So he expressed confidence that the rest will also favor the party, because everybody knows say anywhere where we say they have a party that is popular, that the struggle for the tickets they had. So there is no doubt about that it is not strange to them. So out of the 8 cases, they are done with 7, and they have 1 outstanding before the court, and by the special grace of God it will go the same way the 6 have gone and it will be in their favor. That it is only an aspirant that participates in an election in a primary election. So they were taken aback, and they are not surprised that the last case pending before him, he made a somersault. But just like he said in the wisdom of the judge, that he saw that maybe from the different angle, they should know that by the time they get to the apex court, they'll be able to put their record in a proper perspective. So it is not the first time they are handling this kind of matter. That during the 2023 governorship election, they had similar issue that moved from a federal court up to the Supreme Court, and they were all victorious. So now he is telling all the members of the campaign council not to be discouraged by what they hear. If they doubt, may they go pick up the CTC, and they will see that their candidate is unshakable. Lucky Binedo, the former governor of Edo State, in his remark described Ahmed Fitiri as a dogged fighter who will replicate his doggedness in winning the governorship election for PDP in the state. So they know how Fitiri fought to win again in Adamawa, even with the mighty power of the federal government. So they want to congratulate him and also show that doggedness in those things he has been saying, talking about their candidate, that there's no doubt that he is working hard. So if it is hard work that translates to victory, they have already won. Because this is a man that has toiled and been to every nook and cranny in those things. Right now, they have 192 wards in the state, and they have been to all of them. If people they talk about reaching out to people, Asui Hodalo don't do that one. They talk about Asui Hodalo. Lucky we need to say Asui Hodalo na man we sabi. Say sabi very well. So Lucky we need to urge all the members to carry Asui Hodalo through, and he is fully committed to say that PDP continues in their good works, that he have never wavered and he's not going to be a waver, that PDP is in his DNA, and he will assure and ensure and do all that is necessary that victory is ours come this September. And they shall be back in government house in November with the PDP government. He said it was his great pleasure to be at that meeting, and he wants everyone to know that Asui Hodalo has his full support and commitment to ensure that PDP family continues in their good works. Asui Hodalo in this remark also said that he will do everything it takes to win the 2024 election come September, and he wants to assure everyone that he's going to give them 150% commitment. Asui Hodalo say no go back down, that he will try his best to make this great party PDP extremely proud. So for them to present him as their candidate of this governorship election in 2024, that he no go for their hand, he will try his best to make everything work out in this governorship election. Hey, my people, don't be small. Wàhàla. This election are battle upon battle. APC they drop for one end, PDP they drop for one end. My people are gonna know what to think about this election when they come up in Edo State. Who na feel say na him be the competent leader for Edo people? I beg, no na trade to na comment. Opinion, your contribution in our comment section below. I go like hear from una. Once again, thank you all so much for staying 2 years. We do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your witness. Stay safe, guys. Bye.